guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix Snapchat My AI still loading. So let's just get started. I'll teach you guys a very easy step, so just follow me guys. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Snapchat and check that my Snapchat AI is loading or not. In my case, my Snapchat AI is loading, so I'll be just guiding you guys what to do if your My Snapchat AI is not loading. So firstly, just go to your app and then just get out of your app and reload it or restart your device. Or what you need to do is just go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and just update the app. If it's still not happening, then what you need to do is just go to your profile and then go to settings and then go all the way down like this and then go with I need help and contact your Snapchat support. Or what you need to do is just go to clear cache and then you can continue it and then try to use Snapchat AI, then it will load guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.